Today, let's make a rich, creamy and delicious traditional Sheer Khurma. For Sheer Khurma, we need milk, vermicelli, dates, sugar, ghee, cardamom, chopped almonds, pistachios, cashews and raisins. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Roast the thin vermicelli until golden. Now add the chopped dry fruits. Lightly fry for a minute. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, add 1 liter of full-fat milk. Add the roasted vermicelli to the hot milk. Cook until the vermicelli becomes soft. For Sheer Khurma, add finely chopped dates and continue cooking. Now add sugar according to your taste and a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix well and cook for a few more minutes. Add the fried dry fruits and raisins. Mix everything together and let it simmer until creamy. For extra richness, add saffron milk. Mix gently and cook for another minute. Turn off the heat and let the Sheer Khurma rest. Garnish with almonds, pistachios, dates and saffron. Enjoy this beautiful traditional dessert with your family.